गोवा आनी केरळ आमकां कंपेर केला ते लिस्ट येयल्ले केरळान आपले 10 न्हंयो ते लिस्टा डिलिस्ट केल्यो कित्याक लॉक तेजेर डिपेंड आहा म्हणून. पूण आमच्या गोवमेंटान सोयी न्हंय दिल्यो कांयच एटेम्प्ट करूं ना खंयची न्हंयच काडपाकय.
Under this article in list 1, later the National Waterways Act of 2016 declared 6 rivers of Goa as national waterways.
Because same Kerala, same law. Kerala, how they did it?
Are you trying to tell me that waterways in Kerala have not been notified?
They did it. Why you didn't try also?
This is what the BJP government, Parsekar's note is there. He agreed to it.
Have I
You are
said?
saying that
No,
the
one second.
You are saying that the central government had the powers, but he agreed in the first place.
No, 1 minute.
I would place this on the table of the House.
Then, that is the year 2011, when the then union government was biased towards the state. We changed in government in May 2014 at the center. The attitude of the central government towards states has changed due to federalism type of governance being followed. Looking at this positive attitude of the new government towards the state government, I agree for the proposal at X or 3 page, and the same is approved. And minister says, just signs it, and secretary says, government views may be communicated accordingly. The chief minister was Parsekar.
Yes, sir.
I require another 2-3 minutes. I am reading the MOU because you all are making allegations. You all are making allegations. You all are making allegations to say that we have solved the river.
Time pass challa.
आणि सदस्य बसून घ्या.
Let me complete my
President Costa.
स्पीकर सर एका बेश्टो आरोप करपाची संवय जाल्ली आहा.
Because
टायम पास बिलकुल करिना. तूं जाय जाल्यार एमओयू दवरपाक तयार आहा. दवरता. जाय जाल्यार एमओयू सायन केला गव्हर्नमेंटान पयले फावटी नॅशनल बिल पास केल्या उपरांत जो एमओयू सायन केल्या गोवा ही एकमेव स्टेट आसा. त्या स्टेटीच्या अंतर्गत असो एमओयू स्टार्ट करून